Hola a todos, bienvenidos de nuevo al canal SCUD. Soy Sean, vale, que genial. Estoy encantado de estar aquí con todos ustedes. So welcome back to SCUD channel, everyone. My name is Sean. So glad to meet all of you guys.
Have you guys watched the Football World Cup champion match lately? I bet everyone has the favorite teams and the superstar player you absolutely adore. So who is your favorite player? Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Haaland, or Yamal? So seeing them score like killer goals or lift the trophy, it's pure excitement. But while we usually focus on the single player under the spotlight, we often forget that football is above all a team sport. So no matter how outstanding a superstar is, he can hardly win a game alone. So to win the championship, it takes a massive support team behind the scenes. We are talking about the mastermind coaching staff, a solid tactic system, medical teams, and dedicated logistics. So only by uniting all these unsung heroes, you can build a true championship teams. This is exactly the same philosophy of our battery pack design. Inside battery pack, the high performance cells are just like the talent star player on the pitch. However, the player cannot win the game alone. So to make them release their full potential, safety and stability, so you must provide like top tier support teams. In this analogy, so for battery pack, you will need the VM assistant as a head coach. So the core strategy such as cell balancing, real-time communication, multi-level protection, precise estimation like SOC and SOH, advanced early warning and log record are just like hedge dynamic tactic. Depending on different opponents and application scenarios, it constantly adjusts the game plan. So ensure your player is always stay in their comfort zone and perform at their absolute peak. Meanwhile, coach picks formation like 4-4-2 or 3-5-1 based on each player's unique strengths and the whole team. Our structure layout design is customized to match every cell's features. And also structure strength design, thermal management design, propagation, and waterproof multi-pack series arrow connection layout work together to build the perfect working environment for every cell player and bring out their full strengths. For high-quality cells are merely the foundation of a battery pack, while refining the system integration is the true soul. We design the full structure and the flexible BMS control and fit every cell's unique shells, so each cell can deliver its full nature strengths under all working conditions. All this will match design combined to build an unbeatable championship tier engine system. If you are interested in learning more, please feel free to subscribe our channel below. Thank you. And by the way, one last question: which player's signature goal celebration is your favorite? And leave your comment. Bye, adios.